In this video, we hope you enjoy some of the most popular outdoor activities in the world, including the 5 best whitewater kayak for beginners. In addition, most kayaks are light in weight, so they are easy to transport. If you want to know more, keep watching our full video. There are lots of kayaks on the market and you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. Maybe you are looking for a kayak that is easy to paddle or a kayak built to handle technical whitewater. There are many factors to consider: traction, buoyancy, carrying capacity, durability, and maximum load. These kayak boats are easy to use and operate, complete with everything you need and much more that you need to think about. In this video, we will teach you how to choose the right whitewater kayak, what you will use it for, and how you plan to use it. So let's take a look at the 5 best whitewater kayaks for beginners. Number 5. Dagger Mamba 7.6 Whitewater Kayak. Number 4. Riot Kayaks Astro 58 Whitewater Playboating Kayak. Number 3. Riot Kayaks Magnum 72 Whitewater Creeking Kayak. Number 2. Driftsun Rover 12220 Inflatable Tandem Whitewater Kayak. Number 1. Advanced Elements Attack Pro Inflatable Kayak. Number 5. Dagger Mamba 7.6 Whitewater Kayak, in our choice. Feature the idiom. Weight, 44 pounds. Length, 91 inches. Width, 25.5 inches. Max capacity, 1 person. Material, polyethylene. This is one of the most advanced whitewater kayaks on the market. Its unique design allows it to handle any type of water, from flat water paddling to the rocky rapids of the river, to freestyle racing. It's also one of the most stable kayaks on the market. That's why the Mamba 7.6 is the ideal whitewater boat for growing children, helping you to get out on the water without worrying about tipping over. It is designed specifically for all-in-one whitewater kayaking and whitewater touring. Number 4. Riot Kayaks Astro 58 Whitewater Playboating Kayak, in our choice. Feature the idiom. Weight, 38.4 pounds. Length, 6.3 feet. Width, 25.7 inches. Max capacity, 400 pounds. Material, plastic. This kayak that combines the stability of a sit-on-top with the ease of a sit-inside. It's available in a wide range of sizes and colors, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your paddling style and personal preference. The best part is that this kayak is so lightweight, and you won't even have to break a sweat. Features C-grip thibes, Unity seating system, powers compatible, drain plug, and rubber grab loop. Riot Kayaks Astro 58 Whitewater Playboating Kayak, weight 38.4 pounds. Number 3. Riot Kayaks Magnum 72 Whitewater Creeking Kayak, in our choice. Feature the idiom. Weight, 44 pounds. Length, 7 feet 11 inches. Width, 26 inches. Max capacity, 1 person. Material, plastic. This is very nice, stable, and durable. Thoughtfully designed to express yourself, provide paddlers with downriver tools, and you won't believe what your eyes see. Front and rear flotation bag, Unity seating, systematic theft bar, adjustable creek foot braces, drain plug, for heavy-duty creeks handles. Number 2. Driftsun Rover 12220 Inflatable Tandem Whitewater Kayak, in our choice. Feature the idiom. Weight, 22 pounds. Length, 28 inch. Width, 21 inch. Max capacity, 300 pounds. Material, PVC. This an inflatable tandem whitewater kayak. It's a gorgeous, durable kayak for paddling. You can also use as a raft, complete with a paddle. It's got the weight, stability, and tracking to make you feel like you're on a real kayak, but it's also lighter, faster, more maneuverable, and easier to transport than a bigger kayak. Number 1. Advanced Elements Attack Pro Inflatable Kayak, in our choice. Feature the idiom. Weight, 25 pounds. Length, 126 inches. Width, 29 inches. Max capacity, 400 pounds. Material, nylon, plastic. This is a brand new inflatable kayak from our friends at Advanced Elements. It's a smartly designed kayak that features a unique hull design that allows for a wide range of paddling styles in a relatively small package. The kayak is made from a durable, waterproof material that is puncture-resistant and highly durable. The kayak has a compartment big enough to fit an adult, and it has a secure hatch for dry storage. The kayak's air chambers are designed to make inflating and deflating the kayak a quick and easy task. It is a short, straightforward video that gives you the information to decide the best. If you want to learn more about the products, check the description below. Thank you for supporting us.